Yo, what's good, YouTube? So I just ran a test today and I'm shook because I have this funnel. It's making me 20x ROIs. I put in 50 bucks. I'll tell you what traffic source. It's called YouTube. But the truth is it could be any traffic source. It doesn't matter. With the right funnel, you can absolutely crush it online with the right funnel. That's what I have. And I made 20x ROIs, okay? That means I made $1,000 today by testing with 50 bucks. It actually was a budget of 100, but I'd only spent 50 and I made 1,000 bucks. So what does that tell you? That's a 20x ROI. And by the way, there is no other extra costs, okay? It's literally 50 bucks. And I'm not selling anything here, but I'm here to tell you guys that when you have a lot of knowledge and you form a good strategy and take action on it, you can absolutely crush it. It's insane. And I'm very shook. I expected this to happen too. That's the coolest part. Like, it's not like other things I've tried before where I just tested it. Like, I test a ton of stuff all the time. This worked. And just like other stuff, it works, but this is 20x. This is like ridiculous stuff. So anyway, very hyped about it. And with this kind of return on investment, this is a highly scalable thing. This is unlike anything you can do. Okay, stocks don't give you this return. Okay, real estate rarely can give a 20x ROI. Okay, it's like extremely rare, if even possible. And marketing is the only way I've ever seen that can get you 20x ROI. So it's insane. And I'm super excited and tired. Just got back from airsoft, play airsoft a lot. But it's crazy. I was looking at my stats. I was at Cafe Rio and I looked at my stats and all of a sudden I jumped and screamed. Everyone looks at me. They're like, what the heck is wrong with this kid? I was like, my test worked. And I'm freaking out. It's very crazy. So anyway, life is crazy. I might stop uploading on this channel for a while. Because the truth is, why would I need to upload here unless I have fun doing it? So I will have fun doing it, making a lot of just fun videos to make people happy, smile, and make them money is the most important thing. So give advice that'll make you guys money and change your life. And thank you for watching. And remember this quote, it's very important. It's not over until I win. Okay, I love that quote. Something I always told myself when I first got started and trying to make money online. It's very powerful. But anyway, an extra $1,000 a day is nothing. But I can tell you what I want to do with this campaign is scale it to $100,000 a day. And I've been talking about this for past few videos for the past 2 weeks because I've been preparing for it. It takes a little bit of time to prepare, but when you do things right, man, sky's the limit. You could crush it, okay? So anyway, that's a little life update. It's very insane. And all I can say is you're learning from the right person. That's all I can say. I have so much knowledge in marketing and sales. It's actually overwhelming at this point. And if someone really wants to learn from an expert, learn from me. At a very young age, I'm crushing it as a multimillionaire and scaling to serious millions, okay? It's not like it passed $10 million, but man, I'm about to. And that's recurring. That's the plan. This is a recurring, the first upsell is a recurring upsell. So it's extremely powerful stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Woo!